Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be talking about how you can transfer money with Sparkasse online banking. Let's get started. So first things first, as you can see here, we have a very nice PDF overgoing the entire steps you will need. So first things first, start the Sparkasse app by tapping the app icon and then entering your password. Once you've done that, on the home page, tap the Geld send in icon. You then have three options for entering transfer details, as you can see right here. Once you've done that, select a recipient under Vorliegen or enter the data into the transfer form. Again, if you have previously transferred money to or received money from the recipient details will automatically appear. Once you've done that, tap send in and now switch to the S Push Tan app, which was step 5. Now, once you've done that, you can also enter the transfer as follows using the photo option, or by using a QR code, you can also enter the recipient details. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and again click on send in and now switch to S Push Tan app. Check the transfer details against the original documents, then tap on off track forgiven, and now you have simply transferred what you needed to transfer. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.